Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing my mascara routine. I've edited this down heavily because in actuality, in real life time, this takes me about 20 minutes, no joke. Since I've been using the Grande Lash Serum, which I'll do a separate video on, my lashes have gotten so long that I now actually care very much about mascara. It was a step that I really didn't care about too much before, so I'm just showing you my routine now. First step in any mascara routine is curling, so I'm using the Shu Uemura S Curler. You guys know this is my favorite one ever. And then following that, we are going to prime our lashes using the Diorshow 3D Maximizing Plumping Primer. This conditions your lashes and also protects them from mascara, which can dry your lashes out. So I really enjoy this step and think it is essential. And then we are going to be taking the Perricone MD No Mascara and doing a quick coat. This is just to get my lashes dark, and I want this to be the first thing exposed to my lashes. Because this is a skincare mascara, there are peptides in here that actually help your lashes grow, so I always want this to be my first layer. And I'm just doing a light one on both eyes. This brush has two sides. The white teeth build volume, and then there's a tiny little comb side that really helps separate and build depth at the roots of the lashes, so I'm doing that now. And then following that, we're going to take the Givenchy Noir Intredit Bendable Mascara. I love this guy because it has tiny little teeth. The Givenchy brand rep who comes and trains at Sephora, who, by the way, is hot as hell, told me that this is kind of like Jaws for lashes. It grabs onto everything and separates. So I like to use this while the Perricone is still wet to separate it, because that can be a slightly clumpy mascara in all honesty. I don't really love the Perricone for the way it makes my lashes look. I use it mainly for the peptides, and then I use this one to kind of comb it out. After that is done, I'm going to let my mascara dry for a little bit and then take a little just flat defining brush and kind of get rid of any of the dried on mascara that got onto my lid. You always want to wait to do this though until your mascara is fully dry, because it'll just flake off versus smudging. And then I'm going to do a final curl, and using the Shu Uemura S Curler again, I'm just going in and making sure all of the lashes are nice and upright, because they do tend to go a little down during the mascara application process. And sometimes I will add another coat of one of the mascaras I just used, but today I felt I had enough volume, so I did not add a third coat. And then we're just going to inner rim and tight line using the Ardency and Modster liner just in the black shade, and go along the waterline to add a little more definition and get rid of that gap of skin between the lashes and our waterline. And this kind of gives that falsies effect. Whenever I do my mascara routine, people always ask me what falsies I'm wearing, and I'm not wearing any. So this is the final look zoomed out with my whole makeup. You guys can see it really does actually look like I'm wearing wispies, not like velours or anything like that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next one. And until then, bye ya.